Hello everyone, you're welcome back to Bbkelez Kitchen. Thank you all for stopping by to watch today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you all how to make ginger and lemon paste for weight loss and also for your immune booster. And if you want to see how I make this, please stay tuned and let's move right into today's video. So guys, here I have my ginger and my lemon. Okay, these are what we're going to be using for this ginger and lemon paste. So guys, as you all can see, I've gone ahead and washed the ginger and peeled off the skin off camera. Okay, right now what I'm doing is to cut them in pieces form or cut them in chunks for easy blending. Okay, so guys, while we are cutting the ginger, let's look at the healthy benefit of ginger. Okay, ginger helps with motion sickness, it improves blood flow, it treats for cold and flu, better nutrient absorption, decrease the risk of developing colon cancer, it also minimizes stomach discomfort, ginger minimizes morning sickness, it strengthens the immune system, promotes respiratory health, aids in ovarian cancer treatment. Okay, let's look at the health benefit of lemon. Lemon promotes hydration, it's a good source of vitamin C, it supports weight loss, it improves your skin quality, it aids digestion, it refreshes breath, it helps prevent kidney stone. So guys, why you see me doing what I'm doing right now, okay, you know, most of the time when you buy lemon in the market, the lemons are so hard, very thick, so when you want to extract it, you will find it difficult to extract the juice. So I will first of all roll it this way, okay, to soften it. The reason is to soften it so that it will be easy for me to extract the juice while I'm extracting it. Okay, so yeah, that is how to do it in order for you to soften the lemon. Okay guys, here is my lemon juice and the ginger. Now let's blend it together. So in case you are wondering why my blender is like this, I just finished making ginger tea for my husband this morning, okay, before this, so no need for me rinsing it out. I have to use it like this because it's the same thing that I'm gonna be doing here as well. So guys, I'm not going to add any water to it. I will use only the lemon juice to blend the ginger. Okay, I'm not going to add water, so keep watching and see how I'm doing it. As you can see, I just opened the blender and I go ahead and add some ginger to it. I'll be doing this until I get enough that I needed. So guys, our ginger and lemon paste is ready. So now I'll go ahead and transfer it in a container. Okay, so guys, have you subscribed yet? Have you subscribed? Please, if you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. It is free. Don't forget to turn the notification bell on, that way you always be notified whenever I upload. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much. Please, if you like the video, like and share it to your loved ones. Okay, so guys, keep watching. I will show you how to make the ginger tea. Alright, so once I'm done, I'll go ahead and cover it. This I will store it in my fridge, store it in your refrigerator. Okay, so in the morning you take this on an empty stomach. Okay, take it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning before breakfast, and 2 hours after your meal at night. Okay, 2 times a day is enough. So this is the remaining one in my blender. I'll go ahead and pour in hot water inside there. Now I'm showing you guys how to make ginger and lemon tea. Okay, so now I will stir it. This is how you're going to make it in the morning. In the morning you are not going to blend it again. You will just take any container and scoop out the quantity of ginger paste that you want, add hot water to it and strain them out. Okay, so now I have my strainer. I'm going to strain it out. Ensure that the water is hot, not like it's too hot in a way to be burning you, you can't drink it again. Okay, but when it is hot, it's always good. So what I'm doing right now is to strain it. So now once I'm done, I'll go ahead and transfer it in a cup. Okay, the next thing I'll be adding is a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. So if you don't have apple cider vinegar, you can skip it. It's also optional. Okay, I always use apple cider vinegar for mine. As you can see, my apple cider vinegar is finished, remaining small. I'll go and get another one. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then I always like to add honey to my own. If you don't like adding honey, you can also skip it. Okay, is optional. Some people, they can drink it like this. Most time I just drink it like this. Sometimes I feel like using honey. Alright, so I'll go ahead and add some honey to it, and that is it, guys. If you love this video, please don't forget to give it a try. Share it to your friends and your family, okay? Yes guys, that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share it, okay? Don't forget to give it a try as well. This is very good for your health. And thank you so much for watching. This is really good, you guys. You need to try this thing. You can see me enjoying my ginger tea. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and see you guys in my next video. God bless you. Stay home, stay safe. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.